guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a really easy little tag insert that you can make for your junk journal. This is for a pig journal that I am making for my daughter. She loves pigs and hopes to have one as a pet or on a farm, like own a farm and have pigs. She just really loves them. So I'm going to be making her a journal, and I put together this little insert that you can stick inside of a journal, or you could use it as some happy mail. It could fit a gift card in there, a note card, whatever. But I am using some acrylic stamps that are from BeeBeeCrafts, and I'm like a guest designer for them. And so when I saw these, I just thought these were perfect. And so yeah, I wanted to show you what I made. So just pull together some patterned papers that you have. I have this gingham and then this polka dot, pink polka dot, and it's pretty much just folding and then adding in your embellishments. So like on the front here, there's this pocket that holds a tag, and then I stuck some Monopoly money in there. And then there's a little side pocket here, and I put a little ticket, and then there's a front pocket that has a little tiny tag and another little ticket. I embellished it here with the little pigs there, and then on the back there's a pocket, and I made a little tag out of the paper on the back there. So it's pretty simple. What you want is to take a 6 by 12 piece of paper, and this is a thinner printed pattern paper, and so this will be easier to fold. What you want to do is turn it over so the pattern is on the back, and if you have a double-sided paper, that would be great for this as well. And then I didn't really measure this necessarily, I just folded it to where I thought it would look good. I think this is about 1.5 inches. So you're going to take it and fold it up however tall you want the pocket to be. You can use a scoreboard if you want as well. And then you're going to turn it over on the other side. And, well, actually, take that back. Keep it on this side, and you're going to fold each of your ends in and fold it till you're just about at that initial fold line, like that, and do it on this side as well. Now you're going to turn it over, and you're going to fold it right where the corner is here, where you made that fold. So you may want to turn it over like that and just find your spot to where you want it, to where that corner is there. And that's where you're going to fold it. And you're going to do that on both sides. Make sure it lines up here, and you don't try and get it as straight as possible so that you don't have any white showing on the side. So now you have this here. What you want to do is take your scissors and trim that little piece off there. So where this intersects with that part, that's where you want to cut it off, right there. And then you'll do that on this side, on the other side, this other part here. So line it up, and this is where it's going, where you're going to cut it, just right there. Just be careful not to cut the fold here. So now you have this little pocket that you can decorate, and it will be easier to decorate. I just cut 2 triangles a little bit smaller on these parts. So if you want to unfold it initially and just cut a little piece here. So what I did was I used my pencil and marked it. So I left a border. I'm going to mark it like right here and then mark it up here. So there's about 1/4 of an inch border, or no, more of 1/8 of an inch. And then I'll go ahead and trim that. First I'll trim it here. And then I'm gonna mark it down at the bottom. So I have it my 1/8 of an inch on this side and this side. I'm gonna mark it right here. So it's 1/8 of an inch from the side there. And then I have these 2 marks here and here. So I'm just gonna take it to my cutting board and line up those 2 marks on where the blade is going to hit here. Wait a minute, I'm telling you wrong here. So we need to mark it. Let's see, because we have this little spot here. So first, we're going to cut it at that line at the bottom. So cut there. Just had to process that in my brain so I can get it right here, because I already did this once. So now you have it like this, and what you want to do is mark it right here at this point. I'm just going to mark it 1/8 of an inch from that diagonal. Now you can line it up on those 2 lines and cut it. Just erase that. And then that we can glue right in there. And I'm going to just cut the same on this side. And mark it at the top. There, and then on the side, and trim. Going to use my tacky glue and glue these down. you hear my air conditioning going on and off, it's just because it's hot, and yeah, I apologize for that. Okay, those are glued. I'm going to fold it back up, turn it over on this side, and then now you just want to glue this in. So I'm going to put some glue along this side and then along the bottom. Stick that down. And the same on this side. That's pretty thick down at the bottom there, so you'll definitely want to hold it for a few seconds or so until the glue attaches itself and kind of dries. Oops. And we also need to put some glue right in here. So I'll put a little bit of glue there, stick that down. So now you have just the simple little pocket. It's got several pockets, 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the back. This comes out to be, let's see, about 3 1/4 inches or 3 1/8 inches wide. Oops. About 3 1/8 inches wide and 4 1/2 inches tall. So you could do that fold on just about any size paper. So now is just the decoration part. And this is just really up to you. I'm gonna go ahead and stick in my tag here. I'll make this one ended up being a little slightly smaller than my others, than this one. So I'll probably need to make a different size tag because I can just put it in like that. This one fits better in here because it's just a little tad bit wider. And then you can put in whatever little ephemera pieces that you have. I think these are really cute. And then I stamped all of these little pieces and colored them. I just used my Twistables Crayola colored pencils, but you can use markers or paint, whatever you have. So I made that tag to go in the back, and then I made another one of those guys. I made this guy to go here. I need to find some ribbon. I think I used up all my heart ribbon here, so I think, let's see what this will look like. I have this ruffle. Put that on the front. It might be a little bit too thick for the I think that will look cute. So let's cut this. Looks like it will come about there. And I'll go ahead and glue this down. This, I believe, I picked up at Hobby Lobby. It's a really fun little ruffle trim it's made with like grosgrain ribbon. And then I'll stick this little guy here. All right. So super cute. Absolutely love how this turned out. So hopefully you will give this a try. It's really pretty simple. Go ahead, if you love these acrylic stamps like I do, I'll have the link for them down below. It's BeeBeeCrafts. I also have a coupon code, so go ahead and check that out. It will get you a percentage, I think, or an amount off of your purchase. And yeah, hopefully this gives you inspiration. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.